Juggling projects can feel like trying to keep a dozen balls in the air at once. There are deadlines to meet, budgets to track, and a constant stream of tasks demanding your attention. For many small business owners and freelancers, this complexity can be overwhelming, pulling valuable time and energy away from the core work they love. If this resonates with you, you're likely on the lookout for a smarter, simpler way to manage your projects. Enter Kashoo, an accounting management software designed with ease of use in mind and a powerful ally in simplifying your project workflows. As an expert in accounting management software, I've seen firsthand how the right tools can transform the way businesses operate. Kashoo stands out for its intuitive design and focus on clarity, making it accessible even if you're not a seasoned accountant. Let's delve into how Kashoo can be your secret weapon in taming the project beast. Centralizing your project information. No more scattered notes. One of the biggest hurdles in project management is keeping everything organized. Information often ends up scattered across emails, spreadsheets, and various notepads, making it difficult to get a clear overview. Kashoo acts as a central hub for all your project-related financial information. Imagine having all your income, expenses, and client details neatly organized in one place. With Kashoo, you can easily link income and expenses directly to specific projects. This means you can see at a glance how much money you've earned from a particular undertaking and how much you've spent. No more sifting through piles of invoices or trying to remember where that crucial receipt went. This centralized approach not only saves time, but also provides a much clearer picture of your project's financial health. Effortless income tracking. Knowing where your money comes from. Tracking income for each project is essential for understanding profitability. Kashoo simplifies this process by allowing you to categorize income by project. When you invoice a client, you can easily assign that income to the relevant project. This feature is particularly useful if you handle multiple projects simultaneously or have clients with ongoing work. Imagine you're a freelance graphic designer working on website design for one client and branding for another. With Kashoo, you can clearly see the income generated from each of these distinct projects. This allows you to analyze which types of projects are most lucrative and helps you make informed decisions about where to focus your efforts. Streamlining expense management. Keeping costs under control. Just as important as tracking income is managing expenses. Project costs can quickly add up, and without a clear system, it's easy to lose track of where your money is going. Kashoo provides straightforward tools for recording and categorizing project-related expenses. Whether it's software subscriptions, materials, or travel costs, you can easily log these expenses and associate them with the correct project. This level of detail offers significant advantages. You can identify areas where you might be overspending on a particular project and take corrective action. Furthermore, when it comes time to bill your clients, having all your project expenses neatly documented makes the process more transparent and accurate, generating meaningful reports, understanding project profitability. The real power of good accounting software lies in its ability to generate insightful reports. Kashoo offers a range of reports that can provide a clear understanding of your project's financial performance. You can easily generate profit and loss statements for individual projects, allowing you to see exactly how much money you're making or losing on each one. These reports are invaluable for making strategic decisions. For example, if you consistently find that certain types of projects are less profitable than others, you might decide to adjust your pricing or focus on more lucrative opportunities. Kashoo's reporting features empower you to move beyond guesswork and make data-driven decisions about your project work. Simplified invoicing, getting paid faster. Creating and sending invoices can often feel like a chore. Kashoo aims to simplify this process with its user-friendly invoicing features. You can easily create professional-looking invoices directly within the software, pulling in relevant project details and expense information. Furthermore, Kashoo often integrates with payment gateways, allowing your clients to pay you online quickly and securely. This can significantly reduce the time it takes to receive payments, improving your cash flow and freeing up your time to focus on your actual project work. Collaboration and accessibility. Working seamlessly. For teams working on projects together, Kashoo offers features that facilitate collaboration. Depending on your subscription level, You can often grant access to team members or even clients, allowing them to view relevant project information. This can improve communication and transparency, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Being cloud-based, Kashoo also offers the flexibility to access your project financial data from anywhere with an internet connection. This is particularly beneficial for those who work remotely or need to access information on the go.